day, everyone. Welcome to our new lesson in quarter three, which is the beginning of our geometry. These are quadrilaterals that are parallelogram. Okay, so basically we're just going to start knowing what are quadrilaterals and then what are those quadrilaterals that are considered parallelogram. So let's begin by exploring our lesson. Okay? Remember that we have objectives pero dili na nako siya isa-isa. We have to know, we have to remember what are those quadrilaterals that are parallelogram and what are quadrilaterals. Ila-ilahon sa nato sila. So, we have here an image of all the quadrilaterals. So again, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. So again, pag may tag-quadri, upat siya, four sides. So here in the picture, you have all the four-sided polygon that's possible. Isa-isa ho nato ug ila-ila kung unsa ang pangalan and the definition for each of these polygons. Let's start with a square. So you know guys, a square is a plane figure with four equal straight and four right angles. So the right angles here are those kini angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Right angle means they are equal to 90 degrees and of course the sides are the same. Next figure that we have is a parallelogram. So, mura siya og rectangle nga nakatakilid. Okay, now a parallelogram is a kind of quadrilateral, a four-sided polygon with two pairs of parallel side. So, isa partner and kini iyang partner kaning atbang. Now, parallel lines are two lines that will never meet. Mag-uban ra gid sila pero dili gid sila mag-meet. Parallel lines. And the opposite sides are equal in length. So if this is 5, this is also 5. And the opposite angles are equal in measure. So if this is 145, the opposite angle is also 145, as well as here. Okay, again, the opposite angles are equal in measure. Next figure that we have is your rectangle. You know this one. A plane figure with four straight sides. However, ang kalahian niya sa square is that ang iyahang side, one adjacent side is unequal. So for example, kani, dili sila parehong size dire. Ang mas taas ang isa jud. Okay. But they have rectangles have opposite sides na equal ang measure. So this side also and this side. And same sa square, puro siya mga right angles, 90 degrees. Moving forward to our next quadrilateral, this is a rhombus. A rhombus is a plane figure nga mura og parallelogram, but the thing is mura siyang square nga gitakilid because all of its sides, kani, this side, and this side, they all have equal measurement. So ang nakalahi lang gid sa square, naa siya dili siya right angle. So that's our rhombus. It's like a baby parallelogram. 'Di ba? Taas man tong parallelogram. And then it's a baby parallelogram, something like that. Okay. And we have the last one, which is dili pa din ni last. We have our next one, which is a kite. You know a kite, saranggola. It's a quadrilateral with two pairs of adjacent equal sides, meaning kani ug kani sila rin magkapareho. Dili iyang opposite, but adjacent iyang katapad. So this one here and this one, sila ang equal side or equal measure. And this one here and this one, sila ang equal measure. So that's a kite. You know, a kite naman. It's not a diamond. It's very popular to call it diamond. However, diamond is actually a rhombus nga gipa tindog. Now, a kite is different. The measurement of some adjacent side like this one here dili gid sila pantay. It's like a trapezium na walay sides niya ba nga Opposite sides siya nga magkapareho. So, dili sila pareho. And finally, we have our trapezoid. Now, this is a kind of quadrilateral that has at least one pair, at least one pair of parallel sides. Kani and kani. Now, why do we call it one pair? Kay if you have this side and this side, kana sila, dili sila parallel. But because time and time, mag-abot gina sila. It will form a triangle. So, dili siya parallel. They will meet eventually. So, two lines that are parallel are those lines na di sila mag-meet. They go together pero di sila mag-meet. Just like this one. Kani. Pero this side, na tendency, mag-meet gina sila. Okay? Moving forward, let us know all quadrilaterals that are actually parallelogram. Kay, ang parallelogram na siya certain properties. Tapos, na ay mga quadrilateral nga musulod ato nga properties, which means pwede siya tawagog parallelogram. Okay, so what are those? Yan, so you can see, these are the square, the rectangle, the parallelogram, and the rhombus. Okay, now there are properties nga nung mu ingon man ta nga sila is parallelogram. There are a lot of properties. And we will be checking them one by one. We will check all the properties tanawon nato kung nganong na parallelogram man si square, nganong na parallelogram man si rectangle ug si rhombus. So let's start with the very first property we have here. In a parallelogram, any two opposite sides are congruent. Congruent means they are equal in measure or in length. So kung kini nga side, ang iyang atbang muna yung equal side. So, opposite niya. Diba, nanatagay niya, gipang ila-ila na nato that the opposite sides of these quadrilaterals, pareho silang measurement. Same na rapod aning sa taas, iyang atbang kaning nasa ubos. That's our first property. Second property is, in a parallelogram, any two opposite angles are congruent. So, pag mo angles, kani nga side, kini nga angle, ang iyang atbang pareho gid na niyag measurement. They're congruent. The same here, if this is 145, iyang atbang 145 din na siya. And then here 90, tapos kini let's say mga 65. So ang mag-atbang 65. And it goes also with the opposite angle, katong mga nabiling nga angle nila. Next one we have here, parallelogram. Any two consecutive magkakasunod-sunod nga angles are supplementary. Supplementary meaning if you add two angles, it will be equal to 180 degrees. So in here, yung magkakasunod-sunod na angle, we have this is 90 man, di ba kay right angle? 90 plus 90, that's 180. And in here, we have 150 plus 30 degrees, that's also 180. Again, supplementary, dapat ang magkasunod nga angle mo add jud siya equal to 180 degrees to call them a parallelogram. They should be supplementary. Now remember, lahi ang complementary sa supplementary ha. Ang supplementary is 180 degrees, complementary is 90 degrees lang. Okay? For we have here, the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals, these are line nga i-drawing nato gikan diri padulong sa tabok. Gikan diri padulong sa tabok. And then when we say bisect, it means that they're intersecting. Hation nila ang isa't isa. They will cut each other like this one. So as you can see, only these figures can show us that they have equal measurement. Ang duha ka diagonal ang tawagan ng line ha. And then those diagonal will cut each other. So hation nila ilang mga kaugalingon. And with that, we can also obtain a property which is the number 5. Since na mga diagonal no. Now, a diagonal of a parallelogram forms two congruent triangles. After nato sila hation, kung kini, hation ako na isa duha. Kung kini hation ako isa duha. Pero kung mag-uban na silang upat, pag mag-uban silang duha nga hati, ay upat ka triangle. Okay, emphasis lang nato nga isa lang ka diagonal kibali. If you cut them, it will form. So muna isa ka hati. And of course, the other hati is that one. Which means both na sila equal rin na silang measurement. So kung magbahin mo og pizza nga naka-square, bahin gid na kayo kung imong i-cut by a diagonal, na? Alright. And with that, I want you to tell me what's your takeaway from our lesson, and tell me what have you discovered? What can you share with your friends? And what are the good traits that you can develop just by knowing this lesson? And then for your assignment, I want you to do this one. This is a crossword puzzle. Just take a screenshot of this video, and then ayan. So, take a screenshot of the video and do the crossword puzzle and list down, kulang pa ni, list down three objects that shows that shows all the parallelogram and all the quadrilaterals. Kasali ang kite and trapezoid. Okay? So that's it for our lesson. We'll be doing some activities. I'll be sending them in the GC. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.